Now, he gave me these free of charge, but to be honest, this is something I would gladly buy. Brian can laser engrave these spikes with the text of your choice and has a variety of finish options. I'll bet a lot of you rail fans and non-rail fans would like one of these too. And if you do, go to the description of this video, click on the link, and enter the promo code V12PRO to get 15% off. Alright, I'm gonna enjoy this while we watch the rest of the video. Okay, we're now in a part of Metro Atlanta called Brookhaven, and it appears one of its residents is inspecting the rails before the grinder arrives. So far, we've only seen the grinder operating on straight track, but curves actually get worn down faster, especially the outside rails, which receive a lot of pressure from the train wheels and their flanges. Now, hawks are birds of prey, but they're no match for the rail grinder. How about the timing on this flyby? Oh, and by the way, Loram says it uses environmentally friendly hydraulic fluid and has robust dust collection systems on its machines. Now we get an overhead view of this awesome piece of equipment in action. And here's a look at the back of the rail grinder, spraying more water on the rails and ties. This is known as the support car and houses a workroom and rail profile measurement system. And in front of that, there's a power car. The grinders on the train spin using 30 horsepower electric motors. So that's a look at the RG400 series production rail grinder, but what about its smaller cousin? This is the RGS specialty rail grinder. I don't have any footage of it in action, but my understanding is that it's used for grinding switches, crossings, and other areas where more precision is required, but it can also grind tangent and curved rails too. According to Loram, this machine has 24 grindstone modules and can grind a switch or crossing in 2 to 5 minutes. There's also a 4,500 gallon water tank on board for fire suppression. Loram's machines are pretty modern, but there have been rail grinding trains for decades. This picture was taken in 1987. The consist here is led by what is basically a GP38-2 in a customized F40PH shell, according to the book Locomotives, the Modern Diesel and Electric Reference. Of course, transit systems also benefit from grinding. This photo from 1965 shows a specialized streetcar in Toronto. This probably isn't surprising, but Loram also has a machine that can grind on streetcar tracks. It basically looks like a high-rail tractor trailer. Anyway, that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed this brief look at a very unique aspect of railroading. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.